Welcome to Learn Stock Charts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze next Nifty 50 stock, that is Titan. And Titan is a heavyweight stock in Nifty, and today it is currently running at 2,572 rupees 70 paisa. So, and my analysis always moves from higher time frames to lower time frames, that is monthly charts, then weekly, then daily, then hourly, and we try to figure it out. Any price trend or any trend line is there, any price action is there, any support and resistance, or any chart pattern is there. So basically what is price action is what I can say higher high or lower low I am able to find, and I try to figure it out. My analysis is completely live. I am not, if you see, I have not done any live analysis before that. So daily I pick one stock, I try to analyze it. Before than that, we have analyzed few of the stocks which you are able to find on my YouTube channel, and there are there are some stocks which are marked in red, so we keep monitoring those stocks. So I request you guys, like, let's start the analysis first for Titan, then we will see how other charts are performing, and let's go into the monthly analysis for Titan. So Titan, you guys know, Titan started around 2000, and its current, let's find out the support and resistance. This is the 267 2679 is first resistance, 2571 second resistance. Support is this is on a monthly basis, guys. 2507. Second is this one. This one is a major one. This approximately this zone you can say. So I'm just marking it 2404. And third one is this one, guys. So this is all about a monthly. Let's go into the weekly analysis. In weekly we are able to find anything or not. Let me correct this one. This is specifically because the lines are so small that we are not able to go minutely in monthly one, but in weekly one and in daily one it is more clear. So if you see, like, any trend line is there, yes guys, I am able to see trend line. You guys are also able to see the trend line. This is quite visible. This is a trend line, see. And on a second hand, no other trend line right now is visible to me. Let's go into the daily chart pattern. Let me reset it. So guys, you say I am like try to figure it out the pattern, but yes, there are two patterns which I am able to see. You might be able to see also. This, now this, might be this, might be, not sure, so cannot, sorry for that. And along with that there is a trend line, this one. This is on a daily chart, and if it breaks, if this trend line breaks, then definitely a downfall. Otherwise up is there, and a cup shape pattern also I am able to see this. So let's wait, this cup and handle pattern will come into picture or not, so cannot comment right now. But and there might be an head and shoulder pattern, that is, let me draw that pattern. I am able to see that clearly. If you see this one, this one, this one, this one, so might be see inverted head and shoulder pattern. Why I am showing you it in Google? Because you are able to better understand how these things work. This is shoulder, head, shoulder. This is inverted head and shoulder, and this is the neckline. So this line actually act as a neckline, this 2572. So this I am able to find more suitable right now. So let's analyze on Monday also how which pattern is actually working. So what I am saying, two patterns are there. One is this zigzag line, one is this head and shoulder. And let's go into the hourly chart pattern if I am able to see anything in hourly one. So guys, at hourly also downfall is there, but let's concentrate for it on a daily pattern that is quite visible to all of us, and let's see how it performs. So if you want, I am I'm removing this zigzag lines, so also trend line also, so it's pretty much clear. So let's wait for some time. So this is all about for Titan. This is a heavyweight stock, and previously yesterday videos, like I mentioned, Britannia is W shape, Bharti Airtel cup and handle, AU Bank rectangular pattern. So let's analyze those in uh, daily pattern. Bharti Airtel guys working, might be a retracement and a big candle. Britannia, see guys how Britannia W shape is working. You might be happy if you go with this. That's why 62 rupees 25 paisa. And third one is AU Bank. AU Bank I have not analyzed deeply, but still yes guys, AU Bank is actually in this rectangular shape. And if you see AU Bank 27 December till today, 9:24 to 12:21, and there is a trend line which is visible to all of us, this one. So guys, this is how the things working. Now I will do tomorrow a deeply analysis of all the charts on a daily pattern, on a daily time frame. So give you the overview about how the how the Nifty 50 charts might have some patterns or not for the next week or not, because that might be helpful to you to analyze the charts more deeply. Do your own analysis, do consult with financial consultant, do consult with your friends, because some charts are good for long term investment, some charts are good for short term investment, some are good for day trading, some are good for swing trading. So it depends how your psychology is, how you want to go ahead with investments or daily trading. And I'm not a SEBI registered person. This is a disclaimer that actually I'm just started this channel for educational purpose only, because I am personally reading the charts also daily, and I want that I should share my analysis with you guys. Hope it might be helpful to someone, and you guys should also share your thoughts on my videos, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, because it actually give the boost to a person who is actually creating a YouTube videos, because actually YouTube creation of a YouTube videos require a lot of efforts. And I wish soon we will start analyzing stocks related to metaverse, because metaverse is the upcoming trend in the market in IT web 3.0. So there are stocks related to it, even the Bitcoin stock is there. So my analysis is always for technical end only on the charts, but yes, we can analyze those charts also, because at the end the base is a chart only. And as it is I listened in a lot of YouTube videos, or lot of YouTubers and even the stock markets experts are saying, and even in the news channel it is coming, Bhau Bhagwan Che. So actually before actually analyzing the fundamentals, you are able to see that price movement is reflecting in the charts. So do start analyzing these charts with rigorously, and daily read few charts, because once the habit is developed for you guys, definitely you will able to figure it out, the money, able to figure it out how the charts are performing. And definitely once your risk taking ability is increasing, definitely you will start earning. And this is all about today's analysis. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.